Hello, today I will show you what this does. It's a simple animation of an image that leaves a trail behind. So let's see how to do it. In a Fusion composition, we add a background node and set square resolution. It's something I struggled with and couldn't figure out why it kept doing this. The start and end were fine, but the progress was asynchronous. Then we can add an image as a background. Add a paint node to create a path. Use polyline stroke to draw what you want. You can change the color and other parameters like spacing or whatever. Next, right-click for shape animation and choose Publish. Then select Right on and choose Modify Width and Anim Curves. This sets linear curve from 0 to 1 for this parameter, so you don't have to animate it manually. Curve is as long as the composition. You can also adjust easing in and out of the curve easily. Copy the square background node and connect it to the image of your choice. Make the background node transparent, then add a transform node, which is for animation of image. In this node, right-click on the center, choose Animate. Go to Modifiers page. If you have here a keyframe in the Displace parameter, double-click to delete it. Then right-click for Shape Animation, select Connect to Polyline Stroke and Value. Right-click on Displace, connect to Anim Curve and Value. In the Transform node Tools, right-click on the angle, connect to the path and heading. Here we are almost done. Just adjust the Merge node so the image points where you want and has the correct size and position. The last thing we do is add a crop before the media out and resize the composition back to our basic resolution. I hope this tutorial helps someone and it was at least somewhat understandable. If you know a better way, let me know in the comments. Have a nice day and see you next time.